Boom, bang. Welcome back to my podcast, Terraform for Nick Janus. If you're not Nick Janus, stop. Don't learn anything from this video. Thank you. Alright, so this episode's called Making Some Stuff. Previously, on the previous episode, we didn't make a whole lot of anything. But now we're gonna make some stuff, because what the frick is the point of this if we don't make anything? Okay, first thing, I'm gonna make something. It's a shout out to Martin2, the worst Martin. Watch me make a text file. It's called main.tf. See that, Martin? Take notes. Alright. So now that we've shown how you can make a text file using right click if you're some kind of Neanderthal, check this out. I'm gonna code real fast. It's so fast. Okay, bam. Wow, I'm fast at coding. Alright, so what we got here? Normally your main.tf file, like in convention, that's where you store like the main components of your terraform plan. In this case, perhaps what is important to you as a student of BCIT like myself is to make a VPC. Alright, so here we got a module. This means when we do a module, it's got a source, which means we're gonna have to download some stuff. That's cool, that's great. So let's check it out. We go tf plan. That's terraform. Module's not installed. Alright, well tf init. Let's get this out of the way. Oh, it's downloading that? It's great. Okay, so now it's cool. Now we can do this. Alright, this is great. So now it's not pissed about this module not installed. It's like, oh, we got that module, cool. Oh, dang, now it's pissed about this other stuff. Well, before I get on into it, let's talk about it. So, I make this module. I tell it, hey, download from here. Well, you know what? I also want to name it. And you know what? I'm also gonna want to give it a seeder amount. I'm gonna want to also, have it have a public IP on launch. That'd be good. Availability zones, yeah. If you were working in another availability zone, you're working in another region, you gotta change this. You can't just copy and paste this. P.S. Not providing code. You better write this down if you want to use it. Private subnets. 3 private subnets. Yep. Public subnets. Goddamn 2. What's up with the naming? The naming of my subnets? Nothing. There's nothing special about it. I'm just choosing to use 1, 2, 3 for my privates, and then 101 for this public. I don't know why. Don't ask me. I got this internet gateway tag. I'm gonna name it something. I'm gonna name it this variable. Well, freaking heck, these are all broken. I guess I'm gonna have to make another file. Alright, here from my dumb friend, Martin, the bad Martin, variable.tf. Okay, no, let's rename it, because we're not just gonna put one variable in there. We're gonna put variable. So what's the first variable we gotta make? It's called. Oh, let's just put this down here. Okay, so you gotta make one, and it's called VPC name. VPC name. Okay, cool. All right. So it's gonna be type string, and then what else about it? Default. It's gonna be new VPC. Cool. Alright, let's make another one. Variable. I'm gonna call this one C cider. And then what do we gotta know about this one? It's a type string. Oh, don't put it in don't put it like that. No. Okay, great. Default. Well, based on these other values down here, I'm gonna have to say that it's this. It's gonna be this. I think that's what it is. Let me check my notes. Right now, real quick. Yes, that is correct. Oh, also, Yeah, that's fine. We can leave it like that. I had something different. What else we need to do? Oh, we need a variable for my internet gateway name. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. It's type. Yo, you guessed it. It's string. And then the oh, not string like, just string. Gotta get rid of that someday. I don't know why I do that. Default. Yo, it's gonna be VPC. Okay, new internet gateway VPC Sam big dog love to go wild, aka Master Chief. All right, cool, great. Let's bring this back up here. Okay. So there we go. Now it's not so pissed off about stuff. This is great. Alright, so you're gonna have to trust me. This is gonna work. Is there any reason this shouldn't work? Absolutely not, except for this right here. Okay. Is there any reason this shouldn't work now? Nah, dude. It's all good. It's gonna work. This is all legit. This is legit as AF. So let's get even friggin' more crazy, wild, out of control, okay? Oh, frick. May. Okay, welcome back. Okay. Those technical difficulties, there was wrestling with my system. Alright, cool. So, let's just, I'm gonna code something real fast. Click, 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 click. Oh, wow, it was fast. Alright, cool. Oh, snap, but getting another download? That means that our terraform plan it's not gonna work. It's gonna get mad. Oh, okay, so we're gonna have to terraform init. Alright, I'll do it. Alright, that's gonna be good. It's gonna work. Sick, okay. Holy smokerino, there's a lot of stuff going on here. Gonna make more variables. God damn it. Well, you already saw me make some variables. Let me just make them real quick. And I'm gonna comment out some stuff too. Okay. Comment that out. That can stay. Comment that out. Comment this out. Comment that out. We don't need that. These guys. We're gonna need all these guys. Comment this out. Alright, clickety clack. Click clack. I'm coding. Oh snap, I'm fast. Alright, poof. Wow. Wowee. Okay. Great. So now we got the variables for the VPC, and we got the variables for the load balancer. Things to note that you might want to know about. This is obvious. It's a T2, the instance type, T2 micros. Is small. This is the instance name. It could be anything you want it to be. In this case, we'll call it load balancer. The number of instances. We only want one load balancer, but if we wanted 100, it's as easy as that. Wow, I just scaled up Amazon big time. Alright, what about if we had the load balancer AMI ID? Well, that's not that easy to find. Actually, turns out it's kind of a pain in the butt. But trust me, this is one you want. I found it. If you have any questions about how to find AMI IDs, hold your horses, mate. We'll get into that later. You just one step at a time, okay? Alright, and then find here, this is the PEM key. You're not going to be able to access your load balancer very well if you don't have a asymmetrical key value pair for encryption, decryption, safety, security, Web 2.0. Alright, anyways, this one, it could be anything. If you don't know how to generate keys and save them and all that kind of stuff, good luck, okay? You're never gonna make it in this biz, kid. Also, by the way, I made a tool that will help you make keys and upload them to Amazon.com. And then you can use this and you can set anything you want. I have just one called default key. If I show you my my web page, if I show you my Amazon management console. Oh, I gotta log in. Okay, wait, I'm editing this out. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so Here you can see some of my key value pairs. Default key, dev key, example key, week 1 key pair. I can get rid of that week 1 key pair, I don't need that one. Anyways. Cool, yeah. Alright, do that later. So continue with the podcast. Alright. So like I was saying, these are all needed. Why are these needed? Well, because like there's certain aspects about your any EC2 instance you definitely gotta frickin' have, okay? You're gonna need instance name. Actually, this one's optional, but this one you're gonna need a number of instances. Usually when you're just clicking around, you're creating one at a time, but I think you can create more too if you're clicking around, but mostly just create one at a time. Here is you need an ID for your AMI. This is your Amazon machine image. It's like a ISO. It's like a virtual machine image. You're gonna need one of these bad boys. Instance types, you're gonna need T2 micro. You're gonna want to access it. You could get rid of this, but you never be able to access it. Down here, subnet ID. Alright, this is how you reference a module. You go, what's a module? This is what it's called. And then you reference the variable, the property of it. So you look up here, module, new VPC. Alright, module, new VPC, okay, yeah. Yeah, okay, yeah. Public subnets, oh, okay. Public subnets, they're a list. So that means that the 0 corresponds to the first thing. Great. Cool. Alright, let's just freaking run it. TF go. If you missed the last episode, tfgo is an alias which says terraform apply -yes. I don't want to write all that, so I just wrote that. So there it goes. Alright, created 16 resources. Some of those are just variables. It sounds like we made a lot of stuff, but we didn't. 0 changed, 0 destroyed. Let's look what's going on over here. Okay, you've got I got one of these bad boys. It's in an instant state running. You don't need to see what else is going on. It's the load balancer. That's great, right? It's running. It's on a VPC. Oh, okay, great. So it's right where we put it. Let's check out this VPC, new VPC, just like we told it. It's that easy. It's that easy, people. It's not harder. You know, here's the default. Here's the new one we made. It's not that special. It's missing a lot of stuff, but it's that easy. Let's frickin' tear this bad boy down. TF no. Alright, I don't like it. It's not good enough. It's not finished. But you know what? We're gonna have to say that to another day. Okay? So, there it goes. It's destroying all this stuff. Great. That's good. I don't want it. 0 seconds. Perfect amount of time. AWS load balancer instance. This. Destroy that bad boy. So I'm just gonna open up this. Says I have 5 instances. Not true. That's a bold-faced lie. No instances found running. If I clear my filters, I got some boys. They terminated. They done. But let's put this back on. The state. Instant state. Running. I only want to see guys that are running. Boom, and just like that, it's destroyed. It's gone. All right, great podcast. Good night. P.S. The podcast is not over. So just a real quick recap. We made a thing. We gave it a bunch of variables. Why did we do that? Just so that we could, if we need to reuse this variable later, we can do that. Or if there's different variables needed for different environments, different developers, is good. This is pretty hidden. I didn't get a chance to show you. Maybe some other day. Alright. So, I hope you learned something. If you didn't, good, because if your name's Nick Janus, you weren't supposed to.